Welcome back to my video, students. Before going to the content, please support our channel through subscribe. Then you can get more videos from us. Okay, in this video, first of all, we are going to see the management reporting systems under the management information systems. Okay, what is the management reporting systems? It's a one kind of information system. Okay, let's see. A management reporting system is a part of management control system that provides business information. This information can be in the form of reports and or statements. It can be a report, it can be a statement. The system is designed to assist. That means the system is designed to help members of the management by providing timely, pertinent information. That information want to be given at the correct time. So some examples for this system, some business reports also we can take as an example. Each time log business report is based on the specific issue. Status reports, process reports, project portfolio reports, analysis reports. Portfolio is a collection. Okay. Other thing is, what are the advantages of this system? This report system gives consolidated and updated information. Okay, consolidated, like a combined. Okay, a report provides consolidated, factual and up-to-date information about a particular matter or subject. Information in the report is well organized and can be used for future planning and decision making also. Okay, let's see what are the disadvantages. This report gives consolidated and updated information. A report provides consolidated, factual and up-to-date information about a particular matter or subject. Information in the report is well organized and can be used for future planning and decision making. It mainly considered as a sorry for the mistake, it mainly considered as an advantage. So mainly we can take an advantage: performance assessment and comparison, regularity and creditor complaints. The disadvantages are cost of time. Here the time is very much they are considering the thing. Other one is the not always accurate. Okay, let's see what is the decision support system. It called as a DSS also. It's a computerized program used to support determinations, judgment and course of action in an organization or a business. A DSS is shift through and analyzes massive amounts of data, compiling comprehensive information, and that can be used to solve problems and in decision making. Example uses include GPS route planning. Okay, a DSS can be used to plan the fastest and best routes between 2 points by analyzing the available option. Okay, if there is a option available only, they can analyze. No, these systems often include the capability to monitor traffic in real time to route around congestion. Okay. Okay, what are the advantages from this system? Advantages of a decision support system: a decision support system increases the speed and efficiency of decision making activities. Okay, when we are making any decision, we want to be very speed and efficiently, no? So it is possible, as a DSS can collect and analyze real-time data. It promotes training with the organization also. Think about it, as specific skills must be developed to implement and run a DSS within an organization. It automates monotonous managerial processes, which means more of the manager's time can be spent on decision making. So it improves interpersonal communication within the organization. Okay, what are the disadvantages from that one? Information overload. Okay, next one is too much dependence on DSS. It also one kind of disadvantage, as well as devaluation of subjectivity. They are decreasing the amount. Okay, devaluated. Over emphasis on decision making, it also one kind of disadvantage. Cost of development, it also one kind of disadvantage. So students, please support our channel through your subscribes and keep in touch. Thank you so much.